Welcome to our latest decor ideas YouTube channel. In this video we will discuss and show you the latest modern home interior decoration designs and ideas. These ideas are very important for transform your home into a heaven of comfort and style with our expert interior design services. From concept to execution, we specialize in creating personalized spaces that reflect your unique taste and lifestyle. Whether you prefer a contemporary minimalist look or a cozy rustic charm, our team of talented designers will work closely with you to bring your vision to life. Let us reimagine your space and create a home that truly inspires and delights. Discover the power of color, texture, and form in our home decoration interior designs. Our experienced team understands that every detail matters when it comes to creating a cohesive and inviting space. From selecting the perfect paint hues to sourcing acoustic furnishings, we curate a harmonious blend of elements that will make your home truly remarkable. With our meticulous attention to detail and passion for design, we can turn your house into a place of beauty and comfort that reflects your personality. Step into a world of elegance and sophistication with our luxurious interior design solutions. We deliver that every home deserves a touch of opulence, and our designers excel at creating spaces that exude grandeur and refinement. From lavish chandeliers and sumptuous fabrics to intricate moldings and bespoke furniture, we bring together elements of glamour and indulgence to create a truly captivating ambience. Elevate your living experience with our acoustic interior designs and experience the epitome of luxury within your home. Experience the magic of seamless functionality and modern aesthetics with our contemporary interior design services. Our team of skilled designers is adept at creating sleek and streamlined spaces that optimize both form and function. We focus on clean lines, minimalistic essence, and smart storage solutions to create a clutter-free environment that promotes efficiency and tranquility. Let us design a home that not only looks stunning but also caters to your daily needs, making every moment spent there a pleasure. Embrace the warmth and charm of nature with our rustic inspired interior designs. We believe in bringing the beauty of the outdoors inside, creating spaces that evoke a sense of tranquility and harmony. Our designers use natural materials, earthy tones, and organic textures to infuse your home with a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Whether it's a cozy
not having
farmhouse
get you.
retreat
I
or a
hope you
rustic.
like this video. Please thumbs up, like, share, and comment this video which design you like. I will share more videos in my next video, latest ideas, modern ideas. Thank you.